I believe I'm speaking for everyone when I say we have all moved on. We have all moved on. So anyway, let's get to the intro. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So you guys are always seeing this, this slim tea, this slim figure. Okay, always coming back to just dropping our content, and I uploaded a video talking about my processing, the creation and editing of videos, which is not easy. And trust me, I guess it's something might not be easy to edit, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so guys, for today I'm going to talk about my thoughts on Federal University resuming online class. I am Nigerian, born in Nigeria, bred in Nigeria. I'm trying my other accents, but don't let me give myself, a wrong buzzer. But anyway, guys, I am Nigerian. And talking about Federal University resuming online, these are my thoughts. When were you first released? Because I'm a student of Obafemi Awolowo University, and trust me, when I found out that we're resuming like February 8th, I was like, oh, finally, I can finally graduate. But then another thought came to my mind when we just saw that okay, it's only pharmacy students part 5, most clinical students and agric like part 4 students who are going to farm. Those ones don't just use them to clear their farmland, whatever. But anyway, what I want to say is these are my thoughts on Federal University resuming online classes. So when we all got the news, everyone was happy at first. Thank God, oh, thank God. We're all just happy that okay, school will be resumed, but it's going to be online. But then we all got thinking, like myself, I got thinking that will that kind of thing be done online? Because we don't understand. And again, okay, so these are my thoughts. Number one is that we are in Nigeria. I know Nigeria is a very beautiful country, the mother of giant of Africa, motherland, blah, 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 blah. Okay, we don't have constant power supply in this country. Trust me, we don't. And everybody just relying on generators, because even when you go to a NEPA office in Nigeria and they see them use generator, you just go back to your house, because what you're using is what they're also using too. So number one thing about it is that okay, basically what to carry home is that I am Nigerian. I'm Nigerian. And also the light. Having an online class and then they take light, and then your kind of laptop is a laptop that is called a television kind of laptop that it will always be plugged in. If it's not plugged in, then your system is gone, like it is dead, like it is over. And if you're having a very serious presentation during that time that your laptop actually does that, all I can do is laugh at you, man. All I can do is laugh. Another thing again is network. Nigeria is a blessed country. But MTN is not really everywhere you go. Glow is not with pride. It's Airtel, whatever the network is, it's not the smartphone network. Okay, everything is not like there's some places like when you tell you where you go, if you're kind of person that actually lives, this kind of place where there are no network, I have online classes. I don't know, this thing I just keep laughing, because we know how network is in this country. We know how much you are paying. See, if I should gather the total amount of money I've used on network in a month, like on data in a month, I should just gather all the amount of money. I can build a house. I can surely build a house. I'm just exaggerating though, but I can buy land, a very small one, and it should not be in Lagos. It should be like somewhere in Ekiti State. And when you talk about someone in Ekiti, someone inside Ekiti State. Okay, I'll just exaggerate. A network, online classes, network. Wow. And people will think this as if we are making excuses upon excuses, but they are not excuses. It's actually the real thing. Like, they are the real thing. This is what we pass through every time. Network, voila. Like, you just be on your bed and then you want to send something with and it's taking like hours, or you're on the phone with someone very important, and they're about to send something and then it does not go. It's your message not delivered. That aside about network. Thirdly is data. You can actually spend a lot of money on data. For example, Zoom classes, or let's say Zoom calls, actually take like 1 gig, like 500 MB to 1 gig, and you don't know how many hours you're going to use there on it. And if you're someone that used to do 500 naira MT and 2 gig, you'll be doing it almost every day. Those are the 3 things, those are the 3 factors, like light, network, and data. See, if these 3 things can be provided to us for free, like for free, trust me, we will not talk now. No, they should make it unlimited. If it is unlimited, isn't us? As we are learning, we'll be on social media. It's just like that. It's win-win. It's a win-win for us, just like a win-win. Another one is this. This is actually not a factor because my factors are network, light issue and data. But another factor, is if you are not doing online class in your house. You start hearing Kemi, Sola, go and make this thing. Taiwo, go and wash car. Taiwo, go and wash the plates. And you're doing online class. Like, you cannot concentrate if you're at home doing online class. Trust me, you cannot concentrate. Your parents, and again, you're not the last one. You will work. As you are learning, that's why I like OE is for learning and culture. So as you are learning in your house, your parents are culturing you because you see this everywhere. You see it everywhere. Learning and culture, both at home and in school. So really, that's the fact. Like, your mom just call you to come and do something and be like, Mom, I'm having online class, and they don't want to hear you're doing online class or not. Like, you have to do that thing. And again, if you're online class maybe around 3 and then your mom leaves you with a lot of chores that you have to do, and you're like, I have online class now, I can't do this thing. You will still do it. So aside network, aside light, aside data, that one thing of name calling, that one that they become your name up and down in the whole house, in the household, that one you can never escape it. Except if you come to school, like you come down to school, and again, students are not allowed on campus. But if you have like a place you're staying off campus, you can just stay with a friend, then you are free to do anything. Because if you are free, if you're actually free from that, those 3 factors actually affect you: network, data, and also light. Those are 3 factors. But if you're at home, that number 4 will affect you so well and so good. But trust me, this thing is actually very, very serious. Okay, so let me be very serious right now. We really need to actually, I don't know what was happening. Corona is out there. We can't really resume because trust me, it's not everybody. And again, my screen is funny. They say, okay, having online classes, but your examination will be physical. Get that? Online classes, then with a physical examination, and I'm like, a physical examination so physical, like, why am I doing a physical examination when my classes were online? Can't I do an online examination? Like I said, my lecturers don't trust me. Like, they don't trust us to actually do online exam because they do it online. And thank God they just make most of it OBJ, like most of the questions or all the questions objectives, and we are good to go. But trust me, if they take lights while you're doing your exam, it's your own problem. Those are the things actually very, very important, like the light issue, the network issue, and the data. I know we spend a lot of money on data, but when it comes to things like that, we say there's no money, but there's money. That's what I thought actually about school resuming online. Like, no. We just need to wisen up and just know what we have to do about the whole situation. Okay, the whole situation. But guys, really, this is just what it is, and we'll take it as it is because it is what it is. So guys, some of my thoughts on schools resuming, federal universities resuming in Nigeria, and I'm Nigerian, and please, really, these are my thoughts: network, lights, and data. Oh no. But anyway guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. You guys leave your thoughts if you're Nigerian, studying in Nigerian university, and if you're going to be affected by this, please drop your comments in the comment section below and we'll get talking about it. And I'll see you guys next time, people. I love you, and it's a wrap, and I'm out.